Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And recently I had a request from one of my viewers wanting to know about these pre-seasoned ribs, how to go about fixing them and everything. Shouldn't be a whole lot to it, but I went out and found me some of these are Swift Premiums right here. And it says they're dry rubbed. It says St. Louis style pork spare ribs and it's whiskey black pepper. So that ought to be pretty tasty. So let's see if I can get these open and get them out of this package here. Okay, now I've got them out of the wrapper there, and I'm going to put them down this Ninja FOODi DELUXE crisper basket here. But you can see they're too long to do that, so I'm going to cut them in half and try to get as close to the half as I can, and that way I can stand them up in there. Well, some good looking ribs, I'll tell you that. Smell good too with that seasoning they've got on them, whatever it is. Let's see, that looks just about like the half right there. Let's go for it. Now when you go to buy something like this, you need to pay a little bit of attention to it, because I've got a lot of them that are already pre-cooked. And they say you just put them in the microwave or the oven or whatever. I don't know. I like mine, I'd rather cook it myself. Now I'm going to put this piece over here in this Ninja FOODi basket here. Let's just let it stand up like that. And I'm going to take the other piece and put it right over here on the other side. Now I doubt very seriously they stay like that the whole time they're cooking, but we'll see in a minute. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I've got some of this Swanson's chicken broth here. And I've got just about, right out a cup and a half here in this measuring cup, and I'm going to pour down in here. Okay, now I'm going to take these two pieces of ribs here and put them right down in this pot. Just like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is we'll get the pressure lid here. We'll put on top of it. Then we'll turn it clockwise until it locks into position. Make sure you put your little valve here over to seal and not vent. That way's vent, over here is seal. So now the next thing we need to do, we need to come over here and turn on the power. Okay, and then you got to turn your little knob up here over here to pressure. Okay, it's got 10 minutes. Well, I want 18 minutes on it. So you hit your little time button here, and your time will start flashing, and you raise it up to 18. Okay, and then we hit the start button, and they're off and running. Now, as most of you know, with the Ninja FOODi, you gotta wait for it to build up enough pressure for it to push up the little pin, and it'll start cooking. But it's going to take probably 10 minutes for it to do that. So while you got that 10 minutes, how about joining our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, you people that watches our videos. It means a lot to us. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, and there's a little button popped up. It means the unit is sealed now. Now it's going to start getting ready to start cooking here. Okay, now it took exactly 15 minutes for that little button to pop up after I hit the start button. So now we're going to see how much longer it takes for this to start counting down for this 18 minutes here. Okay, now that wasn't too bad at all. It took 2 minutes for it to come up after the button popped up. It took 2 minutes for it to start counting down. So we'll be back in about 17, well, we'll be back in about 16 minutes. So y'all hang out now, we'll be right back. Okay, now it's down under 20 seconds, and we're fixing to I'm gonna go ahead and release the pressure on this. Now a lot of people like to leave it in there and let it rest for a while, but I'm gonna go ahead and release the pressure because I want to do something else to it before we get ready to eat it. And there it is at 1 more second, and it says done. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the I'll let you see what I hit the valve. Pressure off of it. Okay, now it's just about to stop making any noise, so I think the pin's just about to get ready to drop. And it's been exactly 3 minutes since I hit the vent. So it should be dropping any second. And there it went. Now, next thing we're going to do, we'll turn the lid counterclockwise. Open it up away from it. Ooh, those look good. They smell good too. So now we'll set this over here in the sink. Oh, them look real good. I'm going to try to stand them up just a little bit more. If I can do it without them coming apart. Look at that, now that looks great, doesn't it? I'm going to do them just like that. So, well, that's just about just come apart right there. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this crisper lid. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the power. And we'll set it over here on crisper side, and we'll leave it at 390. We'll hit the timer button again, and it's going to start flashing. You turn it down to all the way down to 4 minutes. Now we'll hit start. Now we'll let those things crisp up just a little bit, get a little bit of crispiness to the outside there. So we'll be back. Okay, now we're all the way down to 3 seconds here, and that says done. Alright, now let's get back over here where we can open this lid and see what it looks like. Now I got to admit now, those look really good. Now, we'll see if I can get them out of this FOODi DELUXE here and get them over here on a plate. Over here on this plate, and look how that bone's pulled out of there. Look, it just comes right on out. And it's still hot. That's good. It's too hot to pull on. We gotta get something else out here. I'll get me some help. There's a little piece that looks good right there. Now these are really good and delicious. So if you ever want to try some of these pre-seasoned ones. Now I don't know if they would be as good as what I would have done or not, because I would have done mine different. So it just depends on your taste. But if you think you might want to try some of these, or to get some of these are those Swift Premiums I think I said a while ago. And they're really good. The Jack Daniels. And they're really hot. But that's pretty good stuff. Okay, so there you have it. That's about it for this little video. Fix me a few fries there and Kay fixed me a salad, so we're about ready to eat here. We've got this little slab of ribs and they taste pretty good. So, till next time, thanks a lot for watching our video and watch more of them. And if you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. And till next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. And come back and see us real soon now. Goodbye.